Hello everyone, I'm in Santa's house at the North Pole. Welcome. There's a giant Santa where they have a gift shop, candy, a Santa's house. That's Santa's house, I'm sorry. That's Santa's house. Okay. Look at that. All of these yummy Kimberly buying fudge
and hot chocolate.
and hot chocolate. Hello everyone. I'm at the North Pole.
It looks big that way, right?
Unbeliever. There you go.
If we turn, going past Santa again, over here there's a 40-foot North Pole. It's an actually 40-foot pole, North Pole. And there's a restaurant over here. There are reindeer on the other side that we could pet and see on the other side over here. And we're gonna go. So we're gonna take you with us, so let's go. North Pole, 40-foot North Pole. Okay, over here the reindeer. Supposedly we can pet them. I don't know exactly how this works. So we're going in to see the reindeer.
There you go.
This Prancer, he's 4.
No, you have.
Oh, they sucked that right down.
Prancer. Here you go.
Oh, you're fine to give them
Okay.
more than 1 cup.
Someone's on my shoulder.
I gotta get my photo. I'm gonna get some photos.
Hold that so you can get your phone out.
How you doing? Someone's rubbing their antlers
Hi
on me.
guys.
That was quick. Hey, I mean, you feed them a lot of these? I mean, like,
Yeah, they get fed every day.
do they?
Up to 6 pounds a day. They...
Nothing to do with me. I have no clue. These guys are rough.
Without food.
You know,
Alright, we're gonna push our way in. Same with these guys. Lead them away from the gate with those snacks. Yes, I'm coming.
Calm down.
I'm coming.
Calm down.
That's enough. You see what you did? You got stuck. That's what you get.
you go the second one.
I come in last, so I have to close that gate. Alright, go ahead and feed him.
Somebody wants to.
Oh.
Alright, Kimberly. Video.
I have been. Here's a cup. They're trying to get it. Oh.
Listen, you...
Guys, I don't have anything. Well,
Perfect, perfect.
ah! He removed. It went all over his head.
It's okay, he'll get it off later.
It's empty.
Or either the other reindeers will start licking him on the Boy, you're okay. Kind of just like snacks and coffee.
Hello everyone, I'm at Santa's house. I just came out of the Reindeer Academy. That is Santa's reindeer that he uses to fly over everybody's houses and come down through their chimney. and it was a really fun experience. We got to pet the reindeer, feed them. They are really food oriented. If after you feed them, they just want to walk away from you. But it's really cool to be in here. I recommend if you get up here to Alaska in Fairbanks to take a look at the North Pole in the Fairbanks area. You've seen the 40-foot North Pole that I videoed inside Santa's house and everything that went along with it. I hope you liked the video, and I will talk to you later. Have a good day, and ho, ho, ho. Hello everyone, I'm in front of the North Pole. It's 101 St. Nicholas Drive, North Pole. I recommend you coming out here if you're in Alaska, near Fairbanks. This is a really fun place to be. I'll talk to you later.